Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you another one of our Belizean treat, Fanta and milk. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is some ice because you want this nice and cold. And I'm going to use some strawberry Fanta. If I was making this back home in Belize, I would be using the red Fanta in the glass bottle, but I can't get that here, so I'm using this one. I'm only filling the glass like 3/4 of the way up. Now I'm going to add the star of the show, my pet milk, my evaporated milk, and I'm just going to put some in the glass to fill it to the top. Mix that really good together and then that's it. And if you taste this, it tastes like if you're drinking strawberry milk. That's the best way I could describe it. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Remember in my last video I said I was going to show you recipes using evaporated milk? Well, this is something we used to do back home in Belize, and I asked my hubby about this one too, and he said he have never heard of it. Let me know in the comments below if you do this. Okay, for the other one, I'm putting in some ice in my glass again, and this time I'm using some Orange Fanta. If it was back home in Belize, I would definitely be using the Orange Fanta in a glass bottle, and they have that one here, but it just doesn't taste the same. The ones in the bottle here doesn't taste like the ones in Belize. Doing the same thing, adding my milk again and give it a stir and taste it, and oh my goodness, this one tastes like a nice orange cream soda. That's the only way I know how to describe this one. I know this is a very short video, but as promised, I was going to share some Belizean treats using evaporated milk, so I have one more to share with you next week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.